Your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, forward bending. Inhale, left leg back, chanchai. Hand side of the body, look up, chin up. Exhale, drop your both palms down, right leg back to plank pose. Hold the breath, come to Chaturanga or Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward facing dog or mountain pose. Inhale, left leg up, left leg front, in between your palms. Drop your both palms down to right leg front. Inhale, raise your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, Namaste.